Hello, I'm Dr. Gene Healy. I'm an acupuncture physician from Root Healing Acupuncture, and today I'm going to tell you how acupuncture works. Acupuncture is a lot like a garden hose. Have you ever gotten a kink in a garden hose? Well, many of us have. We've often experienced, as we've been watering our garden, you might get a kink somewhere in the hose. So acupuncture, the process is kind of like unkinking your hose. What we do is two things. We help turn on the water. The water is your body's natural blood flow, nerve conduction, hormone release, everything that heals and nourishes the body. And it does a couple of things. It'll go to the kinked area and it'll help heal the kink, essentially open it up and heal it. That's kind of where your pain area would be. And with that, it will also continue to flow through the hose to the flowers. The flowers are your bones, your muscles, your organs, your brain, everything on the inside that helps your body flourish. So as you get acupuncture, there are many different sensations that you can have. Most of the time, acupuncture is very comfortable with very little to even no sensation. Sometimes just a tiny prick like a mosquito bite going through the skin just for a second. But other times you might have some sensations, and that's quite all right. Sometimes people get a release sensation. What that is essentially the water blasts through the kink all at once. You might feel a little bolt of lightning shoot down your hand, your leg, or anywhere in your body, and that's perfectly fine. It doesn't hurt, but it might be surprising. So this is actually a good thing. It's a relaxation response, an unkinking of the hose. Sometimes you might have a sore or achy sensation. What that means is essentially the water turns on, it hits the kink hasn't relaxed yet, and what you feel is the buildup or the pressure. So normally as the treatment goes through, this buildup and pressure will relax as the kink relaxes and flows through your body. If it's ever too strong, you can let your practitioner know and they can back it up and make it less for you. If you ever have a sharp or stinging sensation as you get acupuncture that lingers or continues, we want you to tell us. That's a redirection. That means we move it over, the needle over, just one little bit and you'll be fine. It's nothing serious or deep, it's just a little nerve irritation just in the very top layer of skin. If you move it over just one little bit, you'll be fine. So acupuncture is often a very comfortable experience, but many different sensations can be experienced. If you're curious about any of them, please just let your practitioner know. As you're getting acupuncture, some people experience a wide range of healing reactions. Some people don't feel any. We're not saying that you will. But for example, some people often in the beginning of treatment, not towards the middle or the end of a course of treatments, sometimes in the beginning what you'll feel is like a soreness or an achiness in the area, often of a pain area. What that is acupuncture is a circulatory response. This circulation improves not just for the 20 minutes that you're on the table, but for 2 to 3 days. So what will happen is essentially circulation will increase. It will travel to the pained areas, for example, back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, wherever. And you might feel the buildup once again. It might be sore or achy. It's essentially this increased circulation is trying to heal the area, but the area is kinked. So these healing reactions, once I said, they're often in the beginning of a course of treatments, and as the body starts to heal, you get less of them, they become less severe, and they're often not too uncomfortable. So if you ever get a healing reaction, just let your practitioner know, and generally they stop after just 1 or 2 days. The soreness will kind of ease away and you'll have a relaxation response. Thank you very much for listening, and this is how acupuncture works.